What's up, guys? So I was gonna keep working on the Miata, but right now I have a bigger project. All right, I told Zach that I would put a livery on his G35. So that's my project for today. I'm going to back the Miata out. I guess pull the Miata out. It's still in pieces. I'm gonna pull the Miata out. Then I'm gonna wash the G35 and pull in the shop, and then hopefully I'll have this livery done by the end of the day. Now, he told me I didn't have to have it done until Langley Speedway, which is on the 11th of March. But I wanted to make sure that I got it done in time. Maybe he gets some coils, he can put the coils on, that way he can drift it at Langley. Not sure what his plan is, but I do know that I need to get started because, oh man, not much time. This actually looks pretty cool. Might take a picture of this and post it on the old Instagram. Oh man, it looks really good in the sunlight. Not sure how well it comes out on GoPro, but yeah. All right, so I got the cars in position. I got my nice little special concoction here in my $12 Amazon foam cannon. So I'm going to throw down some foam on this car, get it all cleaned up, and I'll pull it in the shop, and then we'll get on to the next thing. Maybe time lapses if I can figure out how to do it. I just finished washing Zach's car. Looks pretty good. I'm not really gonna be like too picky about the paint. There's a few things that are pulled up, but it's not gonna be a big deal. It's a drift car, nobody cares, right? So when I go to lay the vinyl down on this car, these pinstripes are staying. He really likes those. They kind of also match the car. They'll go with the seats that go in here and the wheels. I guess he's changing out this wing, so we're not putting vinyl on the wing. But I'm gonna turn the water off, pull the car in the garage, and probably get started. So I just went to unlock the back door and I ended up locking all the doors. But I just wanted to show you this. Don't close the driver's side door. Here's the livery. So I'm gonna have to look at the mock-up design, see what it looks like, and then I'll go ahead and start applying the livery on the car, and then we'll see how it looks. I'm excited. Okay, so it is currently like 8:30 at night. I've been working on this thing for a while. I was gonna do a time lapse, but then I realized it would take a really long time and the GoPro would probably die or run out of space. So I didn't do a time lapse, but I am mostly done with one side. I need to see the full res version of the livery in order to finish the main piece for the driver's side, because I think there might be a swoosh underneath the Sumo Speed banner, but it looks pretty good so far. I mean, I'm no professional, but I could do a good job. I'm definitely glad that I'm the only person in here doing this because, Zach, it looks good. That's all I'm going to say. So it is kind of late. Cutting around the doors was kind of a pain. They are mostly molded to the rockers. I'll have to do a little bit more finagling with those because this thing is missing some rocker trim. It's missing a piece on the back, so I had to trim around that. But, I mean, doesn't look too bad for a drift car. These stickers are kind of not great. They're not as good as the livery that's on the Vet. But, you know what? They got a really good deal on it. The guy was really chill. He was really helpful. So, I think it looks good. Let's see how it looks whenever I'm done. What's up, guys? We're back in the shop again today with the Miata. I was working on the G35 last night, and unfortunately, everything is going smooth, okay? I forgot to end last night with a video, mostly because the GoPro was dead, the microphones were dead, and it was 12:30 in the morning. So I decided to just wrap up, clean everything up, switch the cars back out, and then just get some sleep because I had to be at work early this morning. The G is not done, mostly because the stickers, I guess the livery guy sent the file to the sticker printer, and the printer got the file, and it was rendered for a 16-inch long vehicle, which obviously is not how long a G35 is. So he just increased the size of the stickers by 10 times, so 160 inches, right? Yeah. Anyways, I got the first few stickers on the car. I knew it was too small, but I figured I could spread them out all the way up until the end when I went to put the Sumo Speed banner on, and it was too small. Spreading all the other stickers out is fine, but when you look at the actual Sumo Speed sticker, you can tell it's just too small. It's supposed to reach from the mirror all the way to the back door, most of the way to the back door, so it starts here, and then it's supposed to go all the way lined up with this this L. So I got to measure out the size of that sticker and send it to the guy who's talking to the guy with the stickers. Like, I also didn't realize that the side stickers and the ones that go on the hood were different sizes, so I started measuring after that, after I made a little bit of a mistake. You can't really tell, but you know, I just wanted to make sure I was doing it right. So I have to remeasure this sticker, and then we'll send up the size to the sticker shop guy, and he's going to send us some new stickers, just the Sumo Speed ones. The rest of the livery should be fine. I mean, he gave us a great deal. We're not going to pay to have a whole new livery put on the car. I'm not going to spend another 6 hours working on it to fix it. It's a drift car. It's whatever. All right, so big news today. The replacement banners came in. They're all one piece. So this is going to be a nice quick install. The only problem is I got to get the old banner off. I already started, of course, because I forgot to start recording. So I got to take the old banner off. The trim here was not prepped properly whenever they painted it. This isn't metal. The car was originally silver underneath. So the trim wasn't prepped properly, so the paint's just peeling off when I pull the sticker off. It's not a big deal. Drift car. The Sumo Speed banner should cover up most of it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and then I'll put the new one on, and then we're going to finish up this car and get it out of here. Zach's going to be happy so he can put his coilovers on and put his seats in, and then go out and do great things learning to drift. All right, so we're done with the G. It's a little dirty, but the livery still looks better with the big old, the big letters on there. Came out pretty good. Not bad for being too small, but
That's what she said.
I still need to do some cutting around the 945 garage, but other than that, everything else is pretty good. Not bad. I think it's pretty good. All right, so this car's gonna go back to Zach. We're probably gonna put some coilovers on it later, and then put the new seats in and the new wheels. That's all him. Maybe me. I don't know yet. Anyways, this is probably the end of this video, maybe, if it is. Peace.